Sacred messages illuminate the temple within. We just breathe in the light tonight. Slow breath, eyes closed, let it rise inside. Peace got a rhythm when the soul aligns. Stillness hums in a sacred tone. Every thought becomes a home we roam. The world spins soft when your heart's in tune. Love's the sun and we're the afternoon. Every breath is a gentle climb. Every prayer another state of mind. I love saying it like this. I love when we vibrate high together, riding that frequency forever. Just breathing